Your next car could be the 2018 Nissan Titan. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.